Yeah, very good. One more.
Wow. What is it? Split in half is the best.
That's perfect.
See, the idea is, Dr. Omar, that everything in a coconut is pure. The water is pure, everything is light. So that's how we start all our ceremonies, by breaking coconut, and he splits exactly in half.
The BAPS Hindu Mandir, which was so kindly and generously gifted, the land was gifted by the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and also our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. Now at this moment, the third stage of the construction has begun. Initially it was Bhumi Pujan, that's sanctification of the soil. Then it was Shilanyas Vidhi, that was the foundation stone laying ceremony. Now we are preparing for the Mandir Raft Foundation. The speciality of this Mandir Raft Foundation is like it's a combination between ancient stone technology and modern instrumentation. That means no steel or no ferrous material can be used in this giant concrete raft. And to make it happen, we've also tried to turn it into a very green foundation where we are using 55% fly ash in the concrete mix. The third most important part is that we are putting almost 300 different sensors at 10 different levels in the entire temple, because it's stone structure, stone balanced on stone. So first time in the history of humanity, thousands of Hindu temples have been built, but we will be getting live data online of the temperature, of the pressures, the stresses that happen. And I think today even the professors from Khalifa University are present, because they are going to encourage students to do PhD on such technology. So it's a very big moment. The entire temple construction has begun, and the most prominent leaders, including our ambassador and others, are all present today. So it's a moment of great joy and first step to fulfillment.
Well, I'm very pleased to be here today because it's a very auspicious occasion for this temple to come up. It's a symbol of tolerance, and it's very special for the Indian community here in the UAE, and certainly for the community in India to see such a magnificent temple coming up here in the UAE, which is a home away from home for all of us. With 3.4 million Indians in the UAE, what can you have as a bigger symbol of cooperation between the two countries? And as one of the Emirati friends today said this evening, they want us to feel comfortable in every possible way, and this is a wonderful symbol of doing that today.